Here's how to split your text to columns in just a few clicks. We're going to select this street address that we want to split, go up to Data, and here on the very bottom is Split Text to Columns. Once I click it, I now have a separator that I need to select. Separator just means what's the character between each of the words that I want to split up. So in my particular case, it's a space. You could ask for it to detect automatically, but there's comma, semicolon, period, and there's also custom. This is really simple and easy to use if you have these items, and if you even have a custom one. Let's say this pipe is very common, or there might be like 3 dots or something. You can always select a custom separator. And which separator should I use? Well, in this particular case, I'm going to use a space. And immediately, the moment I do that, I have now split that address across multiple columns. Isn't that cool? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.